January 15th has an intriguing historical connection to science, marking milestones that shaped our understanding of the world. One of the most fascinating events on this date occurred in 1936 when the world's first building with a completely glass curtain wall, the Halliday Building in San Francisco, was completed. While this might sound more architectural than scientific, the underlying principles of materials science were crucial. The use of glass and steel in construction transformed how we understand load distribution, thermal insulation, and even light behavior. It's a solid example of how engineering and physics can give our cities a dazzling touch of modernity. But January 15th also stands out in the realm of biology. In 1967, Dr. James Bedford became the first human to be cryonically preserved. Bedford's body was frozen immediately after death in the hopes that future medical advances could bring him back to life and cure his ailments. While cryonics remains speculative and debated, the underlying science of cryopreservation used today to store cells, tissues, and even embryos has made undeniable strides. It's a chilling reminder, pun intended, that science often walks the line between the possible and the fantastical. The cosmos also nods to January 15th. The Voyager spacecraft, launched in 1977, transmitted some of its most significant data from Uranus and Neptune around this time during its epic journey across the solar system. These observations gave us unprecedented insights into the atmospheres, magnetic fields, and moons of these icy giants. It's a humbling thought. While we're here worrying about the weather, Voyager 2 is still coasting through interstellar space, a tiny ambassador of human curiosity. And let's not forget the Earth sciences. January is often the heart of winter in the northern hemisphere, and around January 15th, some of the coldest temperatures of the year are recorded in many regions. This is due to the Earth's axial tilt, which keeps sunlight limited despite the planet being closest to the Sun in its elliptical orbit. It's a reminder that proximity doesn't always mean warmth, a concept familiar to anyone who sat near a radiator that refuses to work properly. January 15th isn't just an ordinary day. It's a microcosm of human ingenuity, curiosity, and a little bit of cosmic happenstance. From freezing bodies to exploring planets and redefining architecture, it showcases how science shapes not only our future but also our understanding of the present. And who knows? Maybe one day, January 15th will be remembered for yet another groundbreaking discovery, or at least for someone's resolution to finally finish their cryonics dissertation.